it can be quite hard to get your serpentine drive belt on a SkyActive engine. So here's what you do. You put your belt on, you're going to route it, and you need to put the tension on the tensioner. Okay, so you need to put a ratchet on there. You see that? We've got a 17 millimeter socket on a thin little ratchet. And then on the ratchet, we have extended it with a wrench. So you're going to push the wrench and then push it down this way, extended, and then we're going to take another wrench and we're going to wedge it into here. See that? We're going to put it on that little pipe thing and then put it on there, and that's going to prevent your wrench from coming back. And now this will hold your tension on the belt so that you can reach down there and put it in, or more likely you're going to come down here and you're going to get that belt on, and then it will be real easy. So hope that tip helps you.